Hello, I'm John Melville from Vernier Software and Technology, and I'm going to be talking to you today about how to use our spirometer. Now, our spirometer is this little device right here, and it's used to measure tidal volumes from the lungs or vital capacity from the lungs. You basically breathe through the device. Now, if you're going to be breathing through a device, there's a couple things that you need to know. You need to keep the device sterile. So we have a little bacterial filter, and that comes with the kit, and you can buy more of these if you want to, but that has to be attached to the spirometer. And then we also have these disposable mouthpieces that get attached to the bacterial filter. We also have these nose clips, and the reason why you want to use a nose clip is because you don't want the subject or student breathing through their nose. They're supposed to just be breathing through their mouth to look at tidal volumes and lung capacity. Now, there's a couple of key things that you need to know about the spirometer to get good data. One is that the spirometer needs to be zeroed in the position that it's going to be used, and it needs to sit still. So if I'm going to be using the spirometer at about this level, I need to make sure that once I plug it into the LabQuest, I zero it in that position, and I don't bend back or forth or move from side to side. So let me just put the spirometer together. Another important thing is that there is a little label on the spirometer that says inlet. This is the side that you want to breathe through. So I'm going to take the bacterial filter and I'm going to attach it to the side that says inlet. Then I'm going to put one of these mouthpieces on the bacterial filter. And then I'm going to untie this cable and plug the spirometer into the LabQuest. And what you should see now over at the LabQuest is that there's a flow rate that's being displayed, but there really shouldn't be any flow rate. I'm not breathing through it, nothing's happening, so I need to zero the device to make sure that there's no flow. So I'm going to be using it in about this position. So what I'm going to do next is zero the spirometer. And to zero the spirometer, all that I need to do is just tap on the meter screen. I should just be able to select a 0 right there. And now you should see that the flow rate is very close to 0. It's fluctuating between -0.002 and 0.1, which is